Okay, let's unpack this. We are diving into a device called the Ryoko Pro portable Wi-Fi router.
Right.
It's marketed as, your global connectivity solution.
Yeah.
Wi-Fi in over 100 countries for about $89.
And it's supposed to replace your phone's hotspot.
Exactly. And this is where it gets messy, isn't it? We've got thousands of five-star ratings, but then a whole lot of reviews that just call it a scam, head on.
Yeah.
Our mission is to figure out why the experience is so divided.
And what's so fascinating here is that the device itself, the actual physical box, it checks out.
It works.
It works. It delivers on that basic promise.
Yeah.
It's a 4G hotspot, creates Wi-Fi for up to 10 devices. Battery life is decent, connection speed, device quality. It all matches the claim.
So where is the problem?
It's all external. It's the data ecosystem that's wrapped around the hardware. That's the trap.
Okay, so let's start at the beginning. You buy the device, it ships with a SIM card, and you get 500 megabytes of data included.
A tiny amount.
And wait, I read this correctly. It expires in 30 days whether you use it or not, so if I buy it for a trip in 2 months.
You lose it. Yep. That 500 megabytes is just enough to get you hooked. To prove the device works for, I don't know, a few minutes of streaming.
It's basically useless.
Functionally, it's a non-starter. It's gone before your flight even lands, and that forces you immediately into the subscription model.
Which is run by a third-party company, Via.
Exactly. Via is the true gateway here.
And this must be where those unlimited data promises start to fall apart?
Oh, they don't just fall apart. They completely diverge from reality. They market unlimited, but if you dig into the terms of service, the plans are throttled.
What does that mean, throttled?
It means they artificially restrict your connection speed after just 15 gigabytes.
Yeah.
And the speed drops to something. I mean, it's slower than dial-up.
Slower than dial-up. So we're not just talking slow streaming. We're talking, what? Can you even load an email?
You absolutely cannot. You can't reliably load a map. We saw reports of user service just cutting out entirely after a few days. They get told they exceeded limits.
And the pricing isn't even public.
Not until after you register. And on top of that, Via apparently auto-renews these subscriptions without any clear notification. It's a passive billing trap.
So, if you catch on and you want out, you hit the final wall, the exit strategy.
Or the lack of one.
This return policy it seems designed to be impossible. They offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, but,
and this is the catch-22, you cannot open the package to test the device.
You're kidding me. How are you supposed to know if it even works?
It's financial disincentive by design. It's that simple. If you do try to return it, you have to ship it to Lithuania at your own expense.
Which costs almost as much as the device itself.
And then they hit you with a 15% restocking fee. It's all crafted to make returning it a financial loss for you.
And customer service, I'm guessing that's not much help either.
We saw so many reports of refund emails just being ignored for weeks. People being billed monthly for data they never even activated.
So what does this all mean for you listening?
The core finding is crystal clear. This isn't a product failure. It's a sophisticated subscription failure. You have functional hardware wrapped in a financial trap.
So the device itself works where there's good cell service.
Yes, but the risk is just too high. For most people, your phone's hotspot already does the same thing for free. Or, you can get a transparent plan from a mainstream carrier without all this hidden throttling.
It really makes you think about the difference between products that promise freedom and those that are just recurring billing traps in disguise.
Exactly. And here's something to mull over. When you pay that $89 for the Ryoko Pro, how much of that is really for the hardware? And how much is just the price of admission to get into the fine print that locks you in forever?